Wendy, John, Michael, wake up.
Who are you?
I'm Peter Pan. I'm from Neverland.
Neverland? Where is that?
Yes, it's a magical place with fairies, mermaids, and pirates.
Oh, pirates.
Yes, and I can teach you to fly, so you can come with me.
Hello, everyone. Oh, is that the face?
This is Tinkerbell. She will help us to fly. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Just sing happy songs, and then we go off to Neverland.
We will fly all over the world, all over the sky, all over time.
You're back. Who are these new friends?
This is Wendy, John, and Michael. They're going to help us fight Captain Hook.
Who's Captain Hook?
He's a mean spirit that he wants to catch Peter.
But Peter always wins.
That pesky Peter Pan. I will catch him this time.
But Captain, he always escapes.
Not this time, Smee. This time have a secret weapon.
What's the play, Captain?
We will lure Peter and his friends. Have trains up them.
Ha ha! Yes, Captain. Peter Pan will be ours.
Quiet, everyone. We're going to surprise them.
I have been waiting for you, Peter.
Let's see if you can catch me.
Over here, over here. Take the beer. Let me catch Peter.
Good, said Peter. You win this time.
Don't come back to Neverland, Hook.
Thank you, Peter. We'll have a wonderful adventure.
We'll never forget you. We'll see you again.
Just sing happy songs, and I will be there.
Goodbye, friends.
Goodbye.
We will fly.